damn it. Nice.
Take one more chance before I lose you to the stars. You hide your face from the world, your pride is your facade. And I know you better to see you for what you
Hey, you guys want to play Genshin Impact?
What kind of language are you speaking me? If only I could read your mind. Every little part of you, I love the way you do it. I wait for your sign. You give me UFO kind of love, sweet babe. You are my UFO lover. You are more precious to me than oxygen. I love you like no other. Let's go for a crazy ride, a galactic rendezvous. Universe in your hand, if that gets me to you. What kind of language are you speaking me? If only I could read your mind. Every little part of you, I love the way you do, and now I wait for your sign. You give me UFO kinds of love, sweet babe. You are my UFO lover. You are more precious to me than oxygen. I love you like no other.
I just he's right behind me, ready, please stop, ready to look out.
Like no other. Sweet babe, you are my UFO lover. You are more precious to me than oxygen. I love you like no other. You give me UFO kinds of love, sweet babe. You are my UFO lover. You are more precious to me than oxygen. I love you like no other.
Gay.